Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix iPhone front camera not working. Let's get started. First, quit the camera app. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen to open the app switcher. Find camera app and then close it. After you close it, simply open the camera app and then check the front camera. After that, restart your iPhone. Many camera glitches fix themselves after restart. After that, open up settings. Scroll below, tap on privacy and security. Scroll below again, then tap on camera. Inside here, make sure all the apps that needs the front camera have access. Head back to your settings again, then tap on screen time. Scroll below, tap on content and privacy restriction. Make sure it is on. And make sure camera is turned on. Now, you can remove any case or screen protector. Some bulky cases or protector can block the front camera, so remove them and check again. If none of these work, inside settings, tap on general, scroll below, tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset, then tap on reset all settings. This will not delete your photos or app, it only resets system settings. That's it. One of these fixes should fix your iPhone front camera issue. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.